Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is Himachal Pradesh to regulate cannabis cultivation. Why in news? Himachal Pradesh has become the third state in India after Uttarakhand and Madhya Pradesh to regulate cannabis cultivation for both industrial and medicinal purposes. This decision, approved in the state cabinet meeting held in Dharamshala, aims to enhance state revenue by rupees 500 crore annually. Before we proceed, we have an important announcement for you. Drishti IAS is pleased to announce a new batch for the IAS GS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course at its Noida branch. The English medium batch will commence on 17th February. The Hindi medium batch will begin on 21st February. For more details, call us at 87501 87501. Key highlights: the Revenue Department has been permitted to implement effective cannabis cultivation. The Agriculture Department will supervise the program and develop a comprehensive plan. Suitable regions for cannabis cultivation include Kullu, Manali, Mandi, Chamba, Shimla and Sirmaur due to their favorable climatic conditions for agro and cannabis plants. Cannabis cultivation objectives: focused on producing medicinal cannabis for the pharmaceutical industry and industrial purposes like fiber production. Strict regulation to ensure low THC tetrahydrocannabinol content to prevent misuse as narcotics. Challenges and action plan. The responsible department has been given 6 months to prepare guidelines and standard operating procedures. It includes the determination of the best and appropriate cannabis species for the pharmaceutical industry. The department is going to set up seed banks for farmers who would be licensed for cultivation so that the seeds supplied qualify with low narcotic content. The state government will need to change the State Narcotic Drugs and Physiotropic Substances Rules 1985 for the above objective and implement and enforce regulations which are going to be strict like special excise officers for this purpose. The state committee visited Uttarakhand and Madhya Pradesh to study non-narcotic cannabis cultivation practices. The committee report submitted on September 22, 2023 recommended cannabis cultivation for medicinal, industrial and other permissible purposes under Section 14 of the NDPS Act. Now it's time for the practice question. Which act regulates the cultivation of cannabis for industrial and medicinal purposes in India? Environmental Protection Act 1986, Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985, Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940, Agricultural Produce Act 1956. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.